It's another beautiful day in Austin, Texas, and guess what, folks? It's officially springtime in the city. Birds are chirping, flowers blooming, and grass is green all over again. So let's kick off spring with these hot new beats. That's right, friends, it's springtime in the city, and what a beautiful sight it is. Actually, it's a perfect time for spring cleaning. Spring cleaning can mean different things for people in Austin, but for Austinites and Austin Code, it means one thing: action. A clean city starts at home. That's right. A clean house can turn into a clean neighborhood, and a clean neighborhood into a clean city. So let's start at home. Winter can be damaging to plants and trees, and while some of them may bloom again, a lot has to be trimmed and disposed. As our beautiful trees continue to blossom, it is important to remember to keep the right-of-way clear of debris that includes corners, sidewalks, and alleys. Place your yard trimmings at the curb by 6:30 a.m. on your collection day. Please be safe. Do not attempt to trim trees that are close to power lines. Call 311 for assistance. Having a garage sale this spring after a good declutter? Remember that City Code only allows a maximum of 4 garage sales per calendar year, so plan accordingly. Do you have a vehicle that has been sitting for too long in the driveway? It's time to let it go. Keeping the city of Austin clean and beautiful is no easy task, but is rewarding to all. Remember, together we help make the community better. Visit our website to learn more.